ওয়েলকাম কেম স্টোরি। আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা আলোচনা করব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ সাধারণ জ্ঞান প্রশ্ন ও উত্তর, যা আপনার আসন্ন কম্প্যারেটিভ এক্সামস যেমন ওবেক্স সস্ক, রেলওয়ে, ব্যাংকিং, প্রাইমারি TET এবং অন্যান্য পরীক্ষার জন্য অত্যন্ত উপকারী হবে। এই প্রশ্নোত্তরগুলো শুধু পরীক্ষার প্রস্তুতিতে নয়, আপনার সাধারণ জ্ঞান বৃদ্ধি করতেও সাহায্য করবে। তাই ভিডিওটি শেষ পর্যন্ত মনোযোগ দিয়ে দেখুন। তাহলে শুরু করি আজকের সাধারণ জ্ঞান প্রশ্নোত্তর পর্ব।
Which plant is called herbal Indian doctor? A. Amla. B. Mango. C. Neem. D. Tulsi. Correct answer A. Amla. The Indian gooseberry, or Amla from Sanskrit Amalika, is a deciduous tree of the family Phyllantheraceae. It is known for its edible fruit of the same name. Although these fruits are reputed to contain high amounts of ascorbic acid, vitamin C, 445 mg 100g, the specific contents are disputed, and the overall antioxidant strength of amla may derive instead from its high density of ellagitannins such as emblycanin A, 37%, emblycanin B, 33%, cuniglucon, 12%, and pedunculagin, 14%. It also contains punicafolin and phenylenblynin A, B, C, D, E and F. There is preliminary evidence in vitro that its extracts induce apoptosis and modify gene expression in osteoclasts involved in rheumatoid arthritis and osteoporosis. It may prove to have potential activity against some cancers. Which among the following minerals is also known as horn silver? A. Silver iodide. B. Silver chloride. C. Zinc phosphate. D. Silver sulfide. Correct answer B. Silver chloride. Chlorargyrite is the mineral form of silver chloride, AgCl. It is also known as sirargyrite and, when weathered by desert air, as horn silver. Silver chloride is formed by the disappearance of the initial silver oxide layer. Which of the following protein is found in nails? A. Keratin. B. Histone. C. Actin. D. Elastin. Correct answer A. Keratin. Keratin is a family of fibrous structural proteins that is the key structural component of hair and nails. It is also the key structural material making up the outer layer of human skin. Besides, it provides the necessary strength and toughness for masticatory organs, such as the source of oxygen in atmosphere is due to A. Photosynthesis. B. Nitrogen fixation. C. Excretion. D. Respiration. Correct answer A. Photosynthesis. The main source of atmospheric free oxygen is photosynthesis, which produces sugars and free oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. The organisms that carry out photosynthesis include the plant life of the land areas as well as the phytoplankton of the oceans. Which among the following is given to a player for instant energy? A. Protein. B. Vitamin. C. Calcium. D. Carbohydrates. Correct answer D. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main and quick energy source for human beings. Simple carbohydrates, like sugar-sweetened beverages, are digested quickly and send immediate bursts of glucose, energy, into the bloodstream. Complex carbohydrates are digested more slowly and supply a lower, steadier release of glucose into the bloodstream. Correct answer A. Tuber. Potatoes are examples of tubers, the swollen ends of stolons that may store starch. It is a stem because it has many nodes called eyes, with spaces between eyes known as internodes. Potato tubers develop at the end of swollen underground stem structures, rhizomes. Insects responsible for transmitting diseases are called _________. A. Vector. B. Transmitter. C. Drones. D. Conductor. Correct answer A. Vector. A vector-borne disease is one in which the pathogenic microorganism is transmitted from an infected individual to healthy individual by an arthropod or other agent, sometimes with other animals serving as intermediary hosts. The transmission depends upon the attributes and requirements of at least 3 different living organisms: the pathogenic agent, either a virus, protozoa, bacteria, or helminth, worm, the vector, which are commonly arthropods such as ticks or. Correct answer A. Paper. Paper is produced by pressing together moist fibers, typically cellulose pulp derived from wood, rags or grasses, and drying them into flexible sheets. Mostly wooden pulp obtained from eucalyptus tree is used to produce good quality paper. Which
Correct
of the
answer
following
B.
enzyme is
Thrombin.
essential for clotting of
Thrombin
blood?
is a serine protease,
A. An
renin,
enzyme that
B.
is at the
thrombin,
center of blood clotting
C.
process
amylase,
in human beings.
D. Pepsin.
It catalyzes the conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin and. Correct answer B. Thrombin. Thrombin is a serine protease, an enzyme that is at the center of blood clotting process in human beings. It catalyzes the conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin and activates procoagulant factors V, 8, 11, and 13. Additionally, when bound to thrombomodulin, it activates protein C, an anticoagulant zymogen. Which of the following is an abiotic component of environment? A. Green plants. B. Gravity. C. Non-green plants. D. Decomposers. Correct answer B. Gravity. An ecosystem is defined as any community of living and non-living things that work together. Biotic components are the living things that shape an ecosystem. All non-living components of an ecosystem is called abiotic components such as temperature, light, moisture, air currents, gravity, etc.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই কেম স্টোরি চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। ভিডিওতে লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করতে ভুলবেন না। আর হ্যাঁ, পাশের বেল আইকনটি অন করে দিন, যাতে পরবর্তী নতুন ভিডিওর নোটিফিকেশন সবচেয়ে আগে পান।